In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language online. If you use the Line messaging app and want the menus and settings to appear in a different language, this quick walkthrough will get you there with confidence. First, open your Line app on your phone or tablet. Give it a moment to load. If you haven't used it in a while or you just installed it, you might be asked to log in. Go ahead and sign in with your usual method so you can access your account and settings. This won't change your chats or media. We're only adjusting how the app's interface is displayed. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Home tab. It's typically shown as a house icon along the bottom of the app. Tap that to make sure you're on the correct page where the main navigation lives. From here, find the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your Settings button. Tap it to open all of Line's configuration options. Inside Settings, scroll down at a comfortable pace until you see the option labeled Language. Depending on your device and app version, the list can be fairly long, so don't worry if you need to scroll a bit. When you find Language, tap it to open the language selection screen. You'll now see a list of languages supported by your version of the app. Take a moment to choose the one you prefer. If there are regional variants, like different forms of Spanish or Chinese, pick the version that best matches your needs. Selecting the right variant ensures date formats, spelling, and certain region-specific elements feel natural to you. Keep in mind, changing the app language affects buttons, menus, and settings labels. It doesn't translate your existing messages, and it won't change what your contacts see on their devices. After you've highlighted your preferred language, look to the top right corner and tap Save to apply the change. The app will update its interface almost immediately. You'll notice that the settings labels and navigation text switch to the language you selected. This is a safe change. Your chats, stickers, and contacts remain exactly as they were. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, simply return to the Home tab, tap the gear icon, go to Language, and choose a different option, then save again. It's a handy way to practice a new language or make the app easier to use for someone more comfortable in another language. That's it. Simple, fast, and completely reversible. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Line in the language that suits you best.